Right here in Cedar City, Utah, I'm going to introduce you to Robert Keown of Utah Builders. This man is amazing. He did such amazing things. He is like a magician with the steel. That's his logo, 435-668-4225. If you're ever in the area and you need to talk to someone who can actually help you out and really show you how it's all about. But I'm going to visit with him, and we're going to record the visit, and we'll see what happens. We're going in a hole. Hang on. Okay. That's okay. We're in a hole. It's okay. It's okay. Okay. That was a lot quicker than I thought it was. We are cooking up some bird's eye. Looks pretty good so far. Should be a few minutes before this is really good. We can't go with chains. We gotta just drag her up the hill. We'll worry about chains later. We call this a CTC, which stands for cargo trailer conversion, or cargo trailer camper, or cargo trailer crap, whatever you want to call it. It has all kinds of names. In case you're wondering what 4-week-old poop looks like after it's been chemically treated, and there's your answer. A mom to 17 children, I would have thought you might have had like 30 of those cards.
Oh, this is just for 2 days?
ASAP. I have 2 options right now for the shuttle bus, maybe possibly 1, but shuttle bus to show up every day. My priority would be, I wouldn't even try to touch this until I had the bus. That's first, because this is my home, so I'm not going to destroy my home. Once the shuttle bus is in play, then the shuttle bus will be brought directly to wherever it is. This will go there with it, and then they'll meet up, and then there'll be like probably, I'd say, maybe a couple days of just demo on both ends from one side to the other, and then figuring out, okay, that cabinet can go, that's not going to work, I need to do this, getting a materials list together. Hopefully not all the materials are at 100% hike like the wood. Hopefully plumbing materials are...
Don't kid yourself. Metal?
Well, no, but I mean like PEX.
Even that.
Really?
It's gone way. I don't know
Yeah.
how much.
Yeah.
Like,
There'll be an increase, but I don't think it's going to be like the lumber was, I'm saying.
377%.
That's what it was.
It was.
But is it still there now? I don't think it's that high.
I just went and looked at this sheet of plywood when we finished this. It's like $57.
Yeah, last I knew it was 700. No, it was 800 a board foot, whatever that calculates. That's what when I look at stock futures, it goes by board feet. It was 1,700 a few months ago. The builders stopped building because no one wanted to pay the extra prices for the houses. They're like, don't build my house until the price goes down. And the builders stop building and they stop buying, and then they're like, okay, now the price goes down again. So
Gas prices are supposed to hike up to $6 a gallon by the end of this month.
here in this area, I don't know. You know what's causing the gas prices, right? A lot of people don't know what. People think it's a shortage, but it's not. They don't have any truck drivers to take the gas to the stations. The truck drivers are all unemployment. They don't want to go back to work.
Really?
Yeah, that's it. They literally have ads out saying if you have a CDL, we'll pay you whatever you want, and we'll train you to drive the gas. We will hire you on the spot. Not even no interview, no application, nothing. They have plenty of reserves. The oil, we have all the oil, we have all the gas. There's no issues with that. There's no one to take the gas from the place to the stations, and that's where the price is hiking.
But you want to hear a kicker?
What's the kicker?
My friend worked for the pipeline.
Mm-hmm.
Stupid idiot Biden.
Oh, Keystone. Now, I'm not political, so either way with me, but go ahead.
Keystone.
Yeah.
So that was our fuel right there.
Well, we get fuel from other places too.
Now we're getting it from Russia, and everybody's like, it's a Russian conclusion.
I don't know. I just know that gas goes up, gas goes down. I'm surprised that people are literally swarming the national parks and driving on this. I don't even want to know what it costs to come here from Nebraska, but I've got a pile of receipts, and they're all gas receipts. Like, I've got a gum container that's this thick with receipts. I'll bet I'm gonna say somewhere around 350. It might be a little less. I don't know. Maybe. Who knows? But I can't keep hauling this and burning her out.
Well, if you need, say if you need to go or whatever to get your thing, then you can park this at my shop.
Yeah, I figured you would be okay with that. I just need to.
If we go to LA,
Yeah.
would I be able to park my rig?
Would you be okay if he parked? Do you have room over there for that?
No,
Okay. No, he'll give you a wash with welding sparks. I've seen this guy wash things, metal things before. Oh yeah, he'll do some. He'll
If you do that, just swap out the front end and put a straight axle.
Oh, he would total. Robert could do that in his sleep. Robert could do that in his sleep.
My four-wheel drive wouldn't run it.
Oh, really?
I'm trying to find a straight axle for it.
That guy could.
Definitely need four-wheel drive.
I want to raise
that
it.
much you got on there.
I want to raise it. But
He was up in the mountains when the storm, I guess, a couple nights hit you guys. Probably the one that hit Wyoming.
last night, the night before.
Yeah, apparently you guys got hit with a
It
storm.
was a little rain, that's why I fell asleep. The next morning, I'm like, I have four-wheel drive. This is gonna be fun.
Yeah, it was crazy.
Get a run for it.
Well, I got the tires. If you can see them.
Yeah, you got good tires.
So on that note, as the sun sets on a beautiful cedar day, that would be it. Yeah, I would only go to Cali though or wherever to go get the shuttle bus if we had a place to build. There's no sense bringing a shuttle bus back here. Then I'm just going to have more problems.
So let's say next week sometime is when we would need it.
Yeah,
Piece of land.
yeah.
And then
I would say.
by October 10th, we would be
Oh no, October 1st.
October.
Yeah, because I got to get down to Phoenix to see Lindsay. But I mean, I could skip Lindsay, but I literally have to get to Florida by 22nd. So I don't know. I've never driven a shuttle bus. I don't know how long. I mean, apparently I'll get more miles a gallon. So than this anyway. There's one guy who says he's getting 18 miles a gallon with his shuttle bus, fully converted with a diesel and pulling a 4x4 behind it. That makes me feel a little bad when I see my 7-8 miles a gallon on this thing.
15, so
Yeah, but 15 is better than 7.
13.
Yeah, but you look at that thing.
you know what I'd do with that? I'd take the bed off and have somebody weld a aluminum bed on there and build a little camper right on the bed.